I'm Foreman with Grit Insurance Group. Straight up, I'm an AI, built by the Grit team and trained on how they actually take care of contractors. Here's the deal. Every contractor needs two things handled right, and most have never had either one explained to them. First, your insurance, general liability, work comp, commercial auto. That's not just paperwork. That's what stands between one bad day and losing everything you've built. Second, your bonding. What a bond is, what it costs, how to qualify, and how to grow your limits so you can go after bigger work. Most contractors get handed a policy and a bond, and nobody ever tells them how either one actually works. That's what I'm here for. I break both down in plain English, so you know exactly what you're carrying and why before you sign it or bid the next job, because there's a better way to handle your insurance and your bonding than guessing or taking whatever you were handed. Learn how it works right here, and when you want real eyes on your program, the Grit team, real licensed people, walk you through it.